riding with the pistol, riding with the pistol grip. Smoke out, low, smoke out, low, riding with the pistol, riding with the pistol. Walk up to your house, knock on your door and blow your hands off. Riding with the pistol, riding with the pistol grip. Smoke out, low, smoke out, low, riding with the pistol, riding with the pistol.
Hey, you know where I can find some water at?
The kitchen.
Thank you.
Riding with the pistols, medics ride with you, hit you on the side. Look in my eyes, they know I reside. From the gristle when we collide, black tents when I slide. The power is pride, follow me as I guide you to the horizon of the horizon that I just pry from the grips of the dead. Selling they head, so we do this instead. Redeeming the blood that our ancestors bled to release the seed from the greed fiends. To be free, follow me slow, niggas gotta act to be seen. Hit the drill and stay low key. See us out, niggas speaking, don't know me. I don't sleep, so we recognize real G's and bring peace. Play dumb if it come to it. You DCs be all black like a nun. Deep in the south, play them A-balls for fun. Leaving the drop, cause we all on the run in the heat of the sun. Lurking the scene, so beware of the gun. Niggas hate so they can shun you. The one who don't give a fuck about what you want do. A nigga at your girl head like Rapunzel. She gon' choose, then she get that bedroom bruise. Anyways, never trust a bitch and don't snitch unless you looking for some A's in one ditch. Keep it G to the T, cause niggas low key. Creeper, sneaker, peek on all your secrets. Gossip like some BITC. Hate, haters hate when another nigga see paper with you. Hiss you, diss you, NIB.
Riding with the pistol, riding with the pistol grip. Smoke out, low, smoke out, low, riding with the pistol, riding with the pistol. Walk up to your house, knock on your door and blow your hands off. Riding with the pistol, riding with the pistol grip. Smoke out, low, smoke out, low, riding with the pistol, riding with the pistol. Walk up to your house, knock on your door and blow your hands off.
I'm pulling up to the nigga house, but he acting scared, he don't wanna come out. I'ma have to go ahead and drag his ass out. Talking that shit, well, this what I'm about. I found this old girl, made her loosen that mouth. All over the dick, and she looking real stout. I tried to be cool, but nigga, that's out. Fuck the bullshit, ho, I'm coming from the south. Ain't nothing trill about shit in your mouth. Faggot ass boy and your crew hella sap. All your shit whack, need to quit ASAP. Be on to the cave, finna take the trash out. Whole ass niggas never seen a damn trap. Niggas need to watch what the fuck they rap about. Nigga, this easy, please step back. And bitch, if you mad, you can have a bitch slap. What the fuck you mean? We the truth like facts. And if you got a problem, come and handle that. I'm really, really good with shit like that. I hurt you real quick, didn't call a chick back. I'm really so sad, you a whole ass trick. And now I'm in your house for the motherfucking grip. But bitch, you better give it up some kinda quick, or I'ma have to spread blood